Hello viewers, welcome to the best purchase guide on YouTube. We all know that it's difficult to find the best product according to our budget. To make your purchase decision easier and to save your time, in this video our expert team picked only the finest items for you based on features, manufacturer's reputation, price and actual user feedback. So, if you choose from this list, you can be rest assured that you're buying the best product. Please check the description below for product links and updated prices. Also, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. So, let's get started.
Our number one pick is Nylite Waterproof Terminal Connector. Nylite weatherproof connector is made of PA66 nylon. This material has a certain thermostability and makes the plugs durable and wear resistant. Applied with a good quality rubber seal to make it better dust-proof and waterproof. It is most used for marine, car, truck, boat, motorcycle, and other wire connections. 16 AWG connector with 10 cm wire was designed with plug-and-play structure. Just 5 seconds installation. Weatherproof connector is made by PA66 nylon. This material has thermal stability which enable the plugs durable wear resisting. These are good quality wires and connectors. The stranded wire takes solder easily. The connectors themselves seem to be well made and to be together/apart without too much effort. Consider putting a small amount of silicone grease on them to make insertion and removal a bit more easy. Made with high-quality flame retardant insulating material and premium quality copper for better conductivity, these lever wire connectors are built to last and offer a secure and reliable connection for your wiring needs. Our second best wire connectors for automotive is Tycon heat shrink butt connectors. Thick copper barrel ensures strong secure crimping every time, providing minimal voltage drop, high current flow, and less heat. These will prevent short circuits and problematic wiring that inferior connectors are known for. Each terminal features a thick tin copper barrel that resists corrosion to hold the wire tight when crimped. The barrel is created from one seamless piece of copper that eliminates the problem of the barrel opening. Your wire will never slip out of the connector. Insulation tubing has a unique dual wall design. High quality 3:1 shrinkage tubing has a heat activated sealant lining to provide a 360-degree secure seal. It's flame retardant, waterproof, and can be used underground. Compliant with all electrical standards, perfect for marine and automobile applications. Whether you are working on your boat, vehicle, home or scientific project, our electrical crimp connector will ensure strong watertight seal to make sure everything bond correctly. The connector assortment includes red, AWG 22 to 16, blue, AWG 16 to 14, and yellow, AWG 12 to 10, butt connectors that can be used on wire AWG from 22 to 10. With the Glutode lever electrical connectors kit, you can quickly and easily splice wires without the need for twisting wires or wrapping tape. With its innovative lever design, these wire connectors make connecting and disconnecting wires a breeze. Third choice in our list is Sopobi seal wire connectors. Tubing reduces in size, the enough solder will melt and flow through the stripped wires, ensure a long-lasting connection for your application. Double wall design. Hot melt adhesive inside ensures wires strongly connected and prevent wires slipping from the terminal. Polyolefin outside tubing provides insulation and improves pull-out strength. Premium tube materials are specially designed to be used in harsh environments. Protect the wires and cables from abrasion, cutting, scuffing and low-impact situations. The tin barrel provides increased current flow and ensures less voltage drop, preventing wiring failures and reducing equipment downtime. Excellent stability, water resistance and electrical conductivity provide durable connection for motorcycle, off-road vehicles, lawn tractors, RVs, fish finder and marine application. Widely used on multiple projects of your Christmas lights, ships with high waterproof requirements, motorcycle stereo, boat electronics, equipment switches. Its compact design and lightweight construction make these lever wire nut connectors perfect for use in tight spaces and hard to reach areas. Automotive waterproof connectors are made of high-quality environmental-friendly materials, with high chemical stability, electrical conductivity and oxidation resistance, waterproof, dustproof and safe. Buckle design of automotive wire connectors ensures accurate and complete insertion of the contact in the housing and prevents it from slipping out of the electrical plug connectors. Can also be easily removed when needed. Number 4 on our side is Kendi Solder Seal Wire Connector. A variety of options, different color terminals with recognizable markings. Just measure the wiring diameter to quickly select the right connector. Easy to use, no crimping, no electrical tape, only with a heat gun can be completed. Each butt connector has 2 hot melt adhesive rings to protect the wire and ensure that they can withstand wet environments. During the heat shrinkage process, the welded wire connector can tightly wrap the wire to ensure the good electrical conductivity. High transparency adhesive lined polyolefin tubing for direct visual inspection. This self-soldering wire connector is made of far more friendly to the environment heat shrink tubing. Lead-free high purity solder rings and sealed hot melt adhesive to ensure easier wiring connections and save time. Easy to store and carry. Butt terminals suitable for marine, automotive, electrical or other outdoor projects. Excellent stability, water resistance and electrical conductivity provide long-lasting connections. The Automotive connector kit terminals use high-precision copper plating to improve conductivity, easy to install under soldering and crimping, reliable safe connection, no loose, and lightweight. They are perfect automotive replacement ignition plug connectors. Automotive waterproof connectors are great for various wire connectors of motorcycle, truck, marine, jet ski, scooter, car, and boat etc. Believe that our automotive wire connector can give you a great help. Last in our top 5 best wire connectors for automotive list is Kuiperike waterproof automotive electrical connectors. Perfect for various wire connectors such as motorcycles, trucks, ships, quad bikes, jet skis, scooters, automobiles, ships, etc. Automotive connector is made of PA66, which is antioxidation, waterproof, dustproof and has high toughness, can be bent to a certain extent and is not easy to break. The terminals are made of H62 brass with improved plug-in contact conductivity. Made of PA66, which is antioxidation, waterproof, dustproof and has high toughness. Resistant to high temperature and has good elasticity. 22 to 14 AWG waterproof automotive electrical connectors are easy to install under soldering and crimping. Every single piece of our crimp connectors is made with tin thick red copper barrel and polyolefin heat shrink tubing shrink ratio 3:1, which ensures secure crimping and tight wire connection with high current flow and minimum voltage drop, preventing wire failures thanks to the thick tin copper and seamless barrel design. It ensures strong and secure crimping all the time with no wire coming off issues. What's more, the polyolefin heat shrink tubing provides the high tensile strength and resistance to mechanical damage, so there's no worry of rat chewing or similar physical damage issues. When heated with a heat gun, the adhesive melting inside create a waterproof and insulated seal, preventing electric leakage and corrosion. Thanks for watching this video. Hope this guide will help you to make your decision easier. Don't forget to subscribe our channel for more guide and special tips on your feed.